a look at how you set up an Instagram business account. So this is quick and easy. It literally takes minutes. And there's two ways you can do this. You can either switch a personal account that you have to a business account, or you can set up a brand new professional account. So if you already have a professional account that is ideal for you to change to a business account, then that's a great way to do it. Otherwise, you can just set up a new one. The way you go to do this is exactly the same in both cases. So if you, in your Instagram app, click on the top right, the three lines, and then select settings and then account. At the bottom, you will see options. So here we're going to add a new professional account because obviously the Maybe account is already a business account, but you will see options there for switch to professional account if you're in a personal account and you want to switch it over. But either way, the option is in the same place. So I'm going to click add new professional account. Gives you some of the benefits of having a business account. So obviously you get access to insights about your followers, about how your posts are performing. You learn about who your followers are. You can obviously create promotions to reach more people through Instagram. And you can obviously give your followers other ways to actually contact you as well and add a contact button to your profile. So there's lots of benefits. So this will lead you through a number of steps. So you select which category best describes your business. You add in a phone number, and then you add in an email address. So here I'm going to add in maybe training address. Because I've already set up there we go. So we've got maybe how to set up. So complete your contact details, it will take you to here. And then you've got a number of steps to complete. So we'll look at some of these today, and then we will look at some of the others when we look at separate videos about how to post and how to engage. So we've got 1 of 5 steps. So first of all, we're going to choose profile picture, the Maybe logo. Obviously you can add your website just here, and then you add a bio. So your bio should be something short and snappy about who you are. And then there's a number of tools that you can use. Obviously you can't link your Instagram post, but what you can use are tools like Tap Bio or Linktree. And what these are, we'll do another lesson on exactly how to use them, but basically they are tools where you can include links to several different things from your bio. So you'd link to that Tap Bio or Linktree from your bio, and then when you click on that, it will take you to a way to click on several other different links as well. So if you wanted to, obviously link to several different places on your website or other feeds or anything like that, you can obviously do that there. So that's worth considering in your bio. But for today, we'll just leave that blank. There we go. So that's the profile completed. So effectively, we have a profile picture. We've included our website. And the next step would be to look at sharing content. So that's something that we will look at on another video, as well as how to engage, how to post a story, how to post a reel. So I hope this one's been useful, and I'll see you on another video soon.